Welcome to Mariner's Point. Today in this video I am going to discuss about MCQ question related to gate valve. Here I have written one word question for valves which directly come as MCQ in the exam. So let us start with gate valve. Gate valve is also known as sluice valve. In exam it will come gate valve, also known as, you have given 4 options, so you should remember gate valve known as sluice valve. Okay, and we know that what is the use of valve did the work of restricting the flow of fluid in the pipe. If there is no valve, fluid will flow, but why we use valve? To restrict the flow of fluid. So remember, valve is used to restrict the flow of fluid in the pipeline. Okay, and there are different types of valve. According to restriction of flow, valves are classified. First, we understand about gate valve. In gate valve, we use restriction of flow. Flow restriction is done by gate faces. Gate valve, we use gate faces which are parallel or maybe wedge shaped. In the valve, we did the work of restricting the flow by gate faces surface or wedge shaped surface. Okay, we can see in the photo, this is wedged. And how do I identify gate valve? When you will see the body of valve, it will looks like gate. Okay, it will looks like gate. In the globe valve, it looks like its body look like globe, that means like circle. Okay, but in the gate valve it will partition, so there is some parallel gate. Okay, now come to the one word question. What do you mean by throttling? Throttling means a start, a stop and regulate the flow of fluid through any pipeline. Okay, throttling valve, a start, a stop and regulate, 3 function. A start, a stop and regulate. A start, a stop means on off. On off means like switch. On off means like switch. And where here also come regulate. Then gate valve come in the on off control valve, not throttling valve, or not to control the flow of liquid. It comes in on off. It is written not used as throttling or control regulation of flow, not for flow regulation. It is either fully open or fully closed. It is used when a straight line of fluid and minimum restriction is required. Gate valve is fitted when pipeline is straight, not like bending where gate valve is fitted. It is used when a straight line of fluid is used. Okay. Gate valve cannot use for frequent operation. What it means? In opening or closing the valves, we need time, some time for opening the valve. We take time to rotate handle of gate valve, so it is not used for frequent operation. Okay, which valve is used for frequent operation we will discuss later, like ball valve, butterfly valve, all these valve frequent in operation. Okay, gate valve cannot use for throttling. I have already discussed. Gate valve either completely closed or completely open, that means on or off. On off control with low pressure. There is some pressure drop in gate valve. Okay, suction and discharge, there is a little pressure drop, low pressure drop. Okay, you understand what is throttling valve and what type of gate valve is. It is on off valve. Okay, not used for throttling or control flow of regulation. Further, we can see in the exam gate valve given and you have to identify the body parts, then you can see hand wheel, a stuffing box, bonnet, gasket, a stem. This is a stem where disc is connected with this. Flange. This is wall. Here pipe is connected with flange. Gasket here on flange, here also gasket fitted. Okay. Gate. This is gate. This blue part is gate, and this is body. And from body you can identify this is gate valve or globe valve. When you will see, it looks like gate. This is this body part, and in body it is little like rectangular, but in globe valve body will be like this. Okay. Here see the globe valve. It is like this. Globe valve also used for restrict the flow, but restriction of flow is done by a disc which moves vertically. Here written movable plug or disc element and a stationary ring seat in generally a spherical body like this. This is a spherical body. Here valve seat will fit. So flow will be restricted. Okay. It is generally used in household application to control flow and control the flow of liquid, and there is a pressure drop. It is used for controlling the flow of liquid. We can say throttling. Okay. A start and a stop regulate the flow of liquid in the pipeline. We consider for throttling, and there is a pressure drop. In the gate valve there is some pressure drop, but here it is not on off valve. It is a throttling, for used for throttling or flow of control. Okay. Now come to the ball valve. Parts are similar to gate valve, but the flow of restriction which is done here disc or in the gate valve there is a wedge shape. Now come to the ball valve. Ball valve is a flow control device which uses a hollow. In the body of ball valve there is a ball, hollow ball, perforated and pivoting ball to control the liquid flow. See the figure, we will understand. It is like this. When we will rotate, hole will be 90 degree with flow of liquid, so there is a restriction in flow. Okay. It is 90 degree by the valve handle. Handle is turned 90 degree. Okay. You can read liquid flowing through. It is open when the valve hole is in the line with the flow inlet, and closed when it is pivoted 90 degree by the valve handle, blocking the flow. It is ball valve is on off control valve. Okay. It is not used for throttling, a start, a stop and regulate. Only a start and a stop. Understand? Used for on off control of pipe without pressure drop. Okay. In the gate valve pressure drop, globe valve pressure drop, but in ball valve there is no pressure drop. -90 turn shut off. That means handle is rotated only 90 degree. MCQ question given and said in which of the following valve handle is turned only 90 degree. Gate valve, globe valve, ball valve and check valve. Then answer will be ball valve. Okay. Gate and globe valve, it is rotated 360 degree. Now come to the butterfly valve. It is similar to ball valve, but restriction of flow done by a disc which will looks like butterfly. Okay. A butterfly valve that isolate or regulate the flow of liquid and closing mechanism is a disc that rotates. Okay. But this is a throttling valve. Remember, this is not on off valve. This is throttling valve. This is used for throttling, or we can say that flow regulation, not for on off control. Okay. This is quarter turn valve, that means 90 degree turn valve. When handle is parallel to the pipeline, then valve is open and it is 90 degree to the pipeline, then valve is closed. But in the case of safety device fitted on the boiler gauge glass, when it is 90 degree, then open. You can watch the video of boiler gauge glass blow through procedure in which I will discuss safety valve. Now check valve. Check valve is also known as non-return valve or reflex valve or retention valve, put valve or one-way valve. It is only used for unidirectional flow of any liquid. You can see here fitted with a spring, liquid will come open. When liquid will come from this side, it will close. So only in uniflow direction. Remember, check valve is used for only uniflow direction of, okay. Check valve only used for unidirection flow is required, or known as also non-return valve. This is all about check valve. Check valve is very easy. You can identify. Now there are also different types of valve. We will see here one word question for it, like plug valve. Plug valve is used for both gases and liquid, but used for throttling. Gate valve is not used for throttling. It looks similar to gate valve, but plug valve is not used for throttling. It is also known as slim valve. Okay. And sorry, it is used for on-off control, but there is a little pressure drop, same like gate valve. Same like gate valve. Earlier I have told wrong, but it is also used for throttling sometime, but not. It is because of design of its plug, that means restriction material. Okay, sometimes it is also used as throttling, same. Okay, so this valve is same like gate valve, pressure drop and on-off control, and when used for liquid and gas both, then used as throttling. Okay, remember, same like gate valve. Pressure plug valve is same like gate valve. Now a spool valve, only remember, used for hydraulic control. A spool valve is used for only hydraulic control, and clapper valve. In this type of valve, two hoses are used instead of one. Now ceramic valve is used for heavy duty cycle application. That means your fluid is highly abrasive. Okay, and in the piston valve, your fluid which carries solid particle in suspension. Now needle valve. Needle valve is a type of gate valve used for accurate flow control. Needle valve is used for accurate flow control. This is one type substitute question you have remembered. Needle valve, accurate flow control. Ceramic, heavy abrasive fluid. Piston valve for solid particle. Spool valve used for control. And now plug valve is similar to gate valve. Okay. Now poppet valve. Poppet valve is used in piston engine. In our 4-stroke engine, there is a 2 for inlet and outlet. That valve is poppet valve. Pinch valve is used for slurry flow regulation and control. Now diaphragm valve is used for vacuum application because of tight sealing due to diaphragm. And this is all about valve